This is the Porsche 991.2 GTS. I'm Darren, and welcome to All Access Vlog.
The Porsche 991.2 GTS, a symphony of turbocharged fury wrapped in a timeless silhouette. Our client had just picked up this pre-owned unit from the UK to begin our Vehicle Reconditioning Program, consisting of a complete vehicle repainting with the original Porsche paint system, signature detailing, a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film, and our flagship high-performance tint Spectra PhotoSync IRD. With our bodywork and refinishing program, we address every imperfection with surgical precision. From surface preparation, complete disassembly of exterior panels, exact panel alignment, to our highly skilled paint application of the original Lava Orange, we deliver a finish that's not just comparable to factory, but aims to surpass it. Because for us, it's not just restoration, it's a transformation. The next chapter in this journey is our signature detailing program, 100 hours of meticulous craftsmanship dedicated to elevating your freshly reborn masterpiece to a level beyond mere perfection. We sculpt the paint, coaxing out depths of luster and clarity that defy belief. It's a delicate dance, a symphony of abrasives from the gentlest caress to the resolute removal of imperfections. While our team of experts work over the canvas that is your car's exterior, another team embarks on a coachwork detailing. Imagine minus 78-degree dry ice pallets assaulting bonded contaminants, a symphony of thermal shock, and a ballet of steam and human touch. The result? A canvas pristine and immaculate. With the exterior paintwork now perfected, we lay the foundation for the ultimate protection. A hybrid ceramic coating system is meticulously applied layer upon layer, each infused with infrared energy to forge an unyielding bond. The iconic 20-inch GTS center-lock wheels, subjected to the relentless assault of brake dust and road grime, are meticulously restored to their former glory. A hybrid ceramic coating is applied, a defensive shield against the elements, ensuring effortless maintenance and a lasting luster. Within the cabin, a transformative process commences. Dry steam, a surgical tool, prepares the surface for a luxurious pampering. The finest leathers and alcantara are nourished and protected through a 5-stage regimen, while a UV deflecting treatment envelopes the remaining interior components, shielding them from tropical weather's relentless assault. The ultimate automotive protection is realized with the installation of ClearGuard Alpha. This isn't merely a film, it's a quantum leap in safeguarding your investment. At its core lies a self-healing marvel, a carbon-based, plasma-powered matrix that conjures repairs from the invisible touch of oxygen, amplifying your car's factory clear coat by a staggering 400%. ClearGuard Alpha redefines what is possible with cutting-edge technology. The result? A timeless showroom-fresh brilliance, a flawless expanse uninterrupted by unsightly seams. Your car, cloaked in this innovation, becomes an enduring masterpiece. The final step is the application of Spectra PhotoSync IRD, a pinnacle of heat rejection technology developed and made in the USA. This extraordinary film delivers an unparalleled sanctuary from the sun's relentless assault, boasting an impressive 81% total solar energy rejection with unmatched clarity. A lifetime commitment to performance and aesthetics, this high-performance film ensures a cooler, safer, and undeniably more stylish driving experience for years to come.
If you've just picked up your car and you're looking to refresh and protect it, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.